Hi, welcome to the presentation More Horsepower to the Old Workhorse SAP ERP. My name is Krister Mäkelä. I'm the Managing Director of Adsotec and Adsotec is a member of SAPSA and we're a Finnish company. We sell wind shuttle products in all the Nordic countries, but I'll tell you more about Adsotec and wind shuttle later. Let's go to the actual topic. The agenda is following. First of all, I want to review a little bit recent changes to SAP and how they have affected end users, how they work with the SAP. And then we're going to look at wind shuttle products and the benefits our customers have gained by using the products. I'm going to give you a very short overview of the wind shuttle products first before that, but after the benefit-oriented presentation part, I will tell you a little bit how the products are used. And then the last part is a very short presentation of Adsotec and wind shuttle. We'll have a break after about 20-25 minutes for 10 minutes. And those of you who want to leave the session, go to other sessions, you can leave, and those who want to have a break can have a break, and then we will have a product demonstration after the break where we show how to record the competition script that some of you may already have been executed at our booth. And those of you who haven't done that, please do that because you can win an Apple Watch. All right, let's go to the actual topic. You all have probably heard about Fiori screen personas, and you couldn't have missed HANA. And these new features have certainly affected the way you can work with the SAP system. The productivity improvement is big because response times have been shortened dramatically, and it's easier to work with some cumbersome dialogues in individual transactions. But have these improvements really provided any help for the processing of large amount of data, for example loading data to SAP from external sources or updating data en masse in SAP? I claim that there has been no changes whatsoever. There is no improvement in these new features helping people that are responsible, for example, for master data management and cleansing data and processes like that. And there is still need to improve master data management processes. One big evidence of this is that we are constantly getting more customers using the wind shuttle products, and some of these customers are really old SAP users. We just got as a customer one of the oldest SAP users in Sweden that is starting to use the product. Now, what is the wind shuttle product or the wind shuttle products? What are they providing to you? Wind shuttle provides possibilities to load data from Excel spreadsheets to SAP ECC modules or HANA modules. We support basically all those modules that are based on the traditional GUI interface, like finance, control, asset management, HR, material management, sales distribution, and so on. The data can be loaded also with Access files, and data can be extracted from SAP to Excel or Access files. If we look at some of our customers, what the benefits have been when they have been using the products. ABB is one of our oldest customers in Finland, and initially when they started to use the product, they claimed that they saved about 6 months, 6 man-months during the first 6 months they had been using the product in data cleansing tasks. And I was kind of surprised that they said this. I asked, how is it possible such a short time and so big benefits, and they said that they had a big backlog of work to do and they had really never time to do that work. But when they implemented WindShuttle, they managed to do the work in about 2-3 weeks. So they calculated that roughly they saved this 6 months. Stora Enso is another user. Initially, Stora Enso started to use the product about 1.5 years ago. Ann-Sofie Bokvist was here at SAPSA in I think in Älvsjö about 2 years ago, and heard my presentation, and she thought that okay, this sounds interesting, and she took the product on trial and made some tests and made a decision then to start to use the products. And she has been using the products in a big reorganization project where they have merged different paper and pulp plants in Sweden. And the amount of work would have been several man-months, but she did it in a very short time. There were about 100 different transactions that had to be executed to do all the work, and she automated these transactions so that they could take the data from Excel and did the work very fast. After that, Stora Enso has expanded the usage to the finance sector, and currently there are plans to implement the product also in HR. Outotec is a company that is using the product heavily in HR, and Riikka Kämäräinen told me that she is able to migrate, for example, acquired companies very fast into SAP HR module. It doesn't take more than maybe 2 days to do the work. Both Ann-Sofie and Riikka, they have contributed with their comments to my article that has been published in the SAPSA about 1 month ago, and here's a copy. You can get these copies outside or here in the conference, in the exhibition area or outside the exhibition area, and SAPSA is also readable via internet. Carl Fatzer is an old user also. Initially they started to use WindShuttle in SAP implementation projects, and they saved about 50 full-time man-years in the migration to SAP. Now they are using the product in finance functions day to day, and we have a customer case story from Fatzer, and you can obtain this customer case from our booth, and at the same time you can get the chocolate bar produced by Fatzer. It's a very good chocolate. So come to our booth and provide your contact information, and you will get some goodies as well as good readable material. Maersk Line, very large company, almost 90,000 employees. They have a huge finance shared service center, and they are processing about 160 different SAP transactions, and to upload journal entries and to do invoices and to post payments, and they have been using the product a long time already, and here are some savings from 2 different transactions, F28 or 32, where about 90% of the time can be shortened when the transactions are handled via the WindShuttle product. Altogether they save about 50 man-years per annum due to the fact that they're using WindShuttle products instead of traditional SAP GUI interface. And the productivity increasement is about, on the average when they calculate all different transactions, about 15%. Ericsson, a Swedish user. Tobias Simolin was a project manager at Ericsson implementing the product there, and he had a speech about 2 years ago at SAPSA Impulse also, and Here are a couple of foils from Tobias' presentation. And he mentioned many different projects and savings, but I just have one example here from his presentation. In Estonia, Ericsson had to change a huge number of electrical meters to new technology, and it involved a lot of different work and different transactions in SAP. Just to create the sales orders would have taken about 150 man days, according to Tobias Simolin. He calculated that they saved about 5,000 hours by using WindShuttle in the project. UPM, a Finnish headquartered paper and pulp company, is world's leading producer of graphic paper and other products, and they use WindShuttle for plant maintenance to maintain spare parts for all the machines and paper mills, and they also use the product for HR. Every year they hire summer interns, about 1,900, and this process is a very long process, typically, or was a very long process. They had to go through this PA40 transaction, and those of you who use this transaction know that it might involve several different screens that needs to be processed and in a hiring process, and the whole thing could take about 20 minutes per hire event, but with the WindShuttle product they enter all the data via Excel spreadsheets, and the average time is about 2 minutes per employee that is hired to process all the data. Here is an example from United States from TE Connectivity. It happens to be also related to HR, and you can see that during a 2-month period from December 2012 to 2013, they processed a lot of information. Typically there are a lot of changes at the end of the year, maybe salary payments, bonus payments and things like that also, and organization changes, info type changes. Here we have PA30. They had about 400,000 records that they processed, and the savings they calculated was about 500 man days to do this. Another transaction, PA40, the savings were much larger, or a little bit larger, about 650 man days. The transaction volume was smaller compared to PA30, but the reason that they gained so big benefits here was that the PA40 transaction is more complicated to use. There's more data to process there in their case, and the savings were larger for that reason. And I will show you one example later also where the volume of transactions is not large at all. It's just maybe 1 or 2 transactions per day, but the savings are huge anyway. I could go on several hours to talk about the different benefits our customers have gained, but time doesn't permit for that, and probably you will be bored with all these savings. Here is anyway a summary from Nordic countries covering about 65 Nordic customers, and we made a study amongst them, and they had altogether automated about 700 different SAP transactions. 100 of them were Z transactions, and about 130 million records were handled by the automated transactions during a 12-month period. And the calculations that were made was that the savings actually were about so big that for each person that used the WindShuttle product, he did the work of 2 other people's work. So the saving was about 2 man years per 1 single user. And last week I got actually I discussed with one of our users in Norway, Statoil, Arvid Knabskog, and he permitted me to tell this story to you. I told him that I'm going to make a speech at SAPS, and he mentioned that he's very pleased with the product and has gained a lot of benefits in using it. And he was working in the United States in a project, and during a 2-month period he saved about 4,000 hours of working time by using the Wind Shuttle product. So he worked about, let's say, 400 hours, and he saved 4,000 hours. So it's a little bit in line also with the Maersk case for the financial transactions. He also said that as the Wind Shuttle keeps statistics about, the product keeps statistics about all the work that the user is doing, that since he has been using the product from 2008 to now 2016, and he has been working at Statoil for 33 years. This time from 2008 to 2016 has saved him 66 man-years of working time. I mean, it's incredible, unbelievable. The numbers are based all on statistics that Wind Shuttle is providing. Of course, Wind Shuttle has a database which contains information about how long it takes typically to execute different transactions, and these calculations are based on the volume of transactions the user is executing and compared to what it would take to do the work if somebody would do it manually. Now, how is this magic? How can this happen? I'll show you. It's basically a very simple process. The user who wants to create an automated routine needs to record the transaction, and it's done simply so that the user is going through the transaction field by field, and thereafter the user needs to map the different fields he has been touching in the transaction against the Excel spreadsheet, and then he can test it and start to use it or distribute it to end users. So let's look here. Basically, here is material creation transaction. The user would touch these different fields and make a small change so that Wind Shuttle recognizes that the user wants to use these fields. Then when the transaction is finalized, then the user gets this Excel embryo here on the bottom, or he can use his own Excel if he has done one already. And with a drag and drop function, he moves the different columns up to this list of fields, or moves a field down to the Excel, which means that the data will not be uploaded to Excel, but it will be read from the Excel spreadsheet in the process. And thereafter, the user can actually test this routine, and here's an example where he has data in the different fields, and when he's executing the test or load process, he gets a message from SAP that the change was made or the load was made correctly, or if he has some errors in the data, he gets an error message from SAP, and he can correct this error and then re-execute this transaction, this script in a run with errors option, whereby only the corrected fields are uploaded. And as I mentioned before, these routines can be distributed to end users who can then run them. They cannot make any changes to the different rules in the process. They can just load these things. I mentioned before also, when we look at this connectivity, that the benefits can be very high also, even if the transaction volume is not very high. Here is an example from Meneta in Denmark. It's a manufacturing company producing parts for the car industry, and they need to make product specifications. It involves several different scripts, and these scripts to execute them before has taken about 2 hours, and different people have maybe executed them. Now the data is collected into one Excel spreadsheet, and then the process is started, and it executes all these different transactions automatically, one after the other, and it takes about 2 minutes to make the changes, and the savings are very big. Actually, Arvid Knapskog told me also that he has a script where he has 29 different transactions connected together. So he doesn't need to execute all these 29 transactions. He just has an Excel spreadsheet where he has the data, and then the linked scripts are executed automatically, and this process takes about 6 minutes for him. And before he automated this process, it took about 1.5 months for him to get all the data from different people, and that the different people were doing the work and updating SAP. I mean, it's a lot of time spent on communication and delays and things like that. So, but here it can be done in 6 minutes. So I hope you have seen the benefits that the users can get. As a summary, the productivity of users are increased. They can provide better service to their business users. For example, in Meneta's case, 2 minutes for a change for the production planning department instead of 2 hours. Or in Statoil's case, 6 minutes for a specific department instead of people waiting for 1.5 months for something to be done. Of course, the costs are reduced dramatically also, and one big aspect is also that the data quality is improved, because a lot of controls can be built into the system so that the erroneous data will not be loaded. I haven't given any examples of this, but if you need, I can talk about them later, during the break, for example, or after the demonstration. So, what is Adsotec and what is Windshuttle? What kind of companies are we? Windshuttle is a US-based company headquartered in Bothell, neighbor town to Seattle, and they have in Europe, EMEA, headquartered in London, and an office in Paris, Madrid, and Munich, and 2 support and development offices in India. When this slide was made in a couple of years ago, customers were in 66 countries. Probably, I mean, if you look at our customers, we have some global customers. We have end users in 160 countries for some of our customers. In total, Windshuttle has about 1,700 customers worldwide, end user companies that have made agreements with Windshuttle. The products are of course certified by Microsoft and SAP, and our customers are extremely pleased with the products. Adsotec is a Finnish company. We are the Windshuttle reseller in all Nordic countries and Baltic countries. We started our operations in 1985 by selling products to big IBM mainframe users. But today our focus is on the SAP platform, and we have been Windshuttle partner since 2005, and we are the largest Windshuttle partner in the world. If you look at customer base, revenue, and in the Nordic countries there are over 90 Windshuttle organizations using Windshuttle products, both from large companies, from industrial companies, from public sector, and so on. Here is just a very small sample of different companies that are using the products, and you may recognize some of these companies, and maybe some of you are even from these companies. I would like to thank you for the interest you have expressed for this topic, and here you have my contact details. And as mentioned in the introduction, we'll have a break now, and then we will look at the demonstration of the script that has been used in the competition at our booth.